Domestic cleaning is an activity that not everyone enjoys, but it has to be done anyway, because it allows you to have the right degree of hygiene inside a house. Among the home environments that need a little more attention is the bathroom, given that it is among the largest outbreaks of germs and bacteria. In this video we want to tell you about an amazing trick that will make your toilet more sanitized. It consists in putting 1 clove of garlic right inside the toilet bowl. We know how major the cleaning of the bathroom is, and this is the main reason that causes most people to use chemicals that have a deep action. However, not everyone is aware of the fact that it is also possible to use more ecological, homemade products, taking advantage of what nature has to offer. The solution we offer in this video to disinfect the toilet is extremely effective, and highly economical. In fact, it is a question of using only 1 clove of garlic. Garlic it is a product of the garden, which is mainly used in the kitchen for food purposes. Not everyone aware, however, that it has other interesting properties, excellent for human health, but for housecleaning as well. It is a vegetable that contains allicin, a substance which among other things is antiseptic, that is, it prevents the development of infectious microorganisms. Precisely because it is antiseptic, the allicin contained in garlic can be used for disinfecting the toilet. Indeed, it can offer protection against bacteria, but also block the development of fungi. The results obtained are always very effective from the point of view of hygiene. But how to do it? What is the exact procedure? The water it can be cleaned with chemicals and pollutants, but if you want to limit its use by resorting as much as possible to more natural and eco-sustainable systems, we suggest you to sanitize it with a clove of garlic. To proceed with the elimination and the impeding the development of pathogens, these indications must be followed. Peel a clove of garlic and place it in the toilet. We suggest doing this in the evening, before going to sleep. Usually the bathroom is used less at night. If the toilet is used during the night, it will be necessary to repeat the operation for each use. When you wake up in the morning, flush the toilet. This simple procedure, if done twice a week, it will contribute to a good disinfection. Garlic tea against yellow stains in the toilet. In addition to the system described above, there is also another procedure, a little longer, which in addition to sanitizing also allows the removal of any yellow spots in the toilet bowl. Here's what it consists of. To boil 2½ cups of water with inside 3 cloves of garlic peeled. Add a tea bag, and leave to infuse. Allow the liquid obtained to cool. Once it gets warm or cold, pour it into the toilet bowl before going to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, flush the toilet. If the stains are not completely eliminated, you can try to repeat the operation for the following nights. The latter method described can also be used in the absence of yellow spots, as an alternative to the previous one. However, the use of the garlic clove alone without tea is cheaper, and still has a good efficiency in terms of sanitation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.